Numerous probes have been sent out so far and have not only deepened our understanding of our solar system, but also delivered spectacular images back to Earth. Furthermore, there have been many times that made history. For example, when in 2001 the probe near Shoemaker landed on the asteroid Eros, or when the Genesis Sample Return Probe crashed in September 2004 with samples of the solar wind on Earth at 311 kilometers per hour because its drogue parachute did not deploy. Despite the condition of the capsule, scientists were able to glean a significant amount of data from the recovered debris. The speed record of space probes has been broken several times, and it is currently held at 532,000 kilometers per hour by NASA's Parker Solar Probe, which was launched in August 2018. The American probe Magellan was the first probe launched into space by a space shuttle rather than a rocket. On May 4, 1989, the Space Shuttle Atlantis brought the probe into a low orbit and, from there, the probe continued to Venus. Furthermore, the aerobraking maneuver was used for the first time on another planet during the mission, in order to be able to enter a circular orbit by friction within Venus's atmosphere. The two Voyager probes literally stirred up enthusiasm for space travel, since Voyager 2 in particular was the first probe to visit all of the gas planets of our solar system and delivered numerous spectacular images. The Pioneer 10 and 11 probes only became a true legend after the actual missions were completed, not only because these probes carry a plague in case of an encounter with ET, but mainly because of their trajectory deviations, the so-called Pioneer Anomaly. For decades, a real mystery, and here even exotic explanations were considered. Might dark energy or dark matter be to blame? In the summer of 2012, scientists published an explanation stating that the Pioneer Anomaly turned out to be uneven heat radiation from the probe's radioisotope battery. Although the battery itself radiates heat evenly, this thermal radiation is reflected unevenly by the rest of the probe, especially the antenna. The American-European Cassini-Huygens mission was also a milestone. This was with 5,655 kilograms, which was sent to a distant planet and was not only the heaviest probe, but also was able to capture Saturn's moon Enceladus as it moved into the focus with the search for extraterrestrial life, especially the landing of the Huygens probe on Titan that delivered numerous interesting results. The arrival of the New Horizons probe at the dwarf planet Pluto was long awaited. Whereas before there were only blurred images from the Hubble Space Telescope, this probe revolutionized our understanding. This is in comparison to the search for water and life on Mars, where a whole armada of probes were sent to the Red Planet, about which we already made a separate video. The mysterious events around the Soviet probe Phobos 2 and the Russian Phobos Grunt mission, which are the starting point of numerous conspiracy theories, will be covered in a separate video. Thank you very much for your attention. Write in the comments how you like this new format.